Hello guys and welcome to another video tutorial. So in this video tutorial we are here to learn about the basic difference about Google and Yahoo. Now Yahoo works on keyword stuffing and Google works on backlinking. Keyword stuffing is a process in which you stuff unnecessarily keywords or unnecessary words in your blog or in your website in order to rank first. So for example, if I have a website on gold rings and I stuff unnecessarily keywords like gold rings everywhere in my website, so my website will automatically rank 1 or 2 in the search results in Yahoo. But same in case of Google, my website won't even rank in the second or third page also, because Google works on backlinking. Backlinking is a process in which if a person read your blog post and he loved it, so he on his or her own blog post will share your link, so you will get a backlink from him. Now how will you know how to get a backlink? Means which website has how many numbers of backlinks. So how will you know? So let me show you. You just go here and type Open Site Explorer. So this is a free tool by Moz. Okay, so you just click here. And now you are guided to this website. So here you can know that how many backlinks are there in that website. For example, if I search here diamond rings and I click enter, actually I love diamond rings, that's why I always give example of that. Okay, so let's take this website. This is the first one ranking on search. So let's know that how many backlinks this website has. So we will just copy its URL, copy, and now we will paste it here. Let's paste it. Okay, so paste it, and now we will click search. Okay, okay, so we just discovered that domain authority is 34 out of 0, and it looks we haven't discovered link data for this site or URL. Means it has very less number of URLs, but then also it is ranking on number 1. Its spam score is 2 out of 7. Large site with few links, no contact information. So it has a very few number of links. Okay, so let's take an example of this website. This website, most haunted places in India, and we will copy it, just same, and we will paste over here. And we will hit search, and now you can see, so this website just got 214 total backlinks. So these are 214 total backlinks, and this has even 0 spam score. So this hasn't a spam score. That website I think was spam website, because that website has used black hat SEO technique in order to rank number 1, because without even backlinks that website is ranking number 1, means the website has used black hat SEO. Also its spam score was 2 out of 17, which means it's black hat SEO. So this website, you can see that its domain authority is also 43 out of 100, means it has a very good domain, as well as spam score is 0, that's a good thing, and it has total number 214 backlinks. Now you can see that these are 14 inbound links, and you see spam score 3, 3, 3, 3, and these are the links from which it got backlinks. Sorry, these are the websites from which it got backlinks. So now you have understood how Google operates and how Yahoo works. So meet you in the next video. Thank you.